chemistry teachers because I do think this could be used with chemistry at our schools. This is the atom building kit or the atom building game. This is going to be used for a few labs. Also, let your chemistry teachers know, or if you teach chemistry, that they could use this as well to help students practice building atoms. So when you open these guys up, it is going to include for you a whole kit that explains all the stuff, so you can already see, as long as there's not too much glare, what comes in the kit. We'll go over briefly. You do have periodic tables with this, and they're nice and laminated. Comes with, looks like 2 in each one, so I think that'll be useful to use during these chapters as well. I'll set that off to the side. This is the board. It is a large board, but you can see you have spots here in the middle for your nucleus, and then it has each of the orbitals. So your first orbital, you only have 2 spots for electrons, and then as you go up, you get 8 spots for the first and 8 for the next. And then as you get up to the 4th, that's where you start to get, I forget the number off the top of my head. Is it still 8? 1, 3, 1, 3, yeah. So that's when you get to the 4th one. 3. So it looks like it's doing 8 for all of them up until the 5th. 4th has got one. 4th has got one. I'll let you guys figure that out. Underneath this board though, so there's a good look at it. Now you have your marbles. You have the blue, yellow, and gold. It doesn't necessarily matter which you use for protons, neutrons, electrons. You might want to put up on the board what students should be using just for consistency's sake. So yellow, I do think should probably be electrons. That's what they're doing here. So then blue and green are your, gonna be your protons and neutrons. Determine that beforehand, put that on the board. This might actually tell you which one is which, and that's gonna help with the games, the cards. So that's the other thing that's included are these deck of cards. Actually, one of our investigations will show you how to actually play that game, but there's probably instructions in that manual as well. So you get that one and this one here. So you should have 2 little things. This one's photons and lasers and nuclear reactions. So we'll look at that in a second, but this is what your kit should come with. So hopefully that helps clarify that, but totally this can be used for chemistry as well. All right, let's get into our investigations. See you in the next video.